Hello, my name's Derek Nielsen with Nielsen Realty Group. Here we are over in Middleboro, Massachusetts at a new subdivision, Christina Way. This is lot 4 that we're looking at here. It's under agreement with a client, buyer client. We are figuring on a possible move-in date of June 1st of 2022. As far as the property, what it has to offer is a 2-car garage under, along with 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bath, and a few extras that the buyers put on as far as the farmer's porch. This is a great lot with great privacy as far as cranberry bogs abut it on the back end, and you only have one neighbor. Very end of the cul-de-sac also. Going to be quite the build. Very spacious at about 2,200 square feet. My contact is 508-269-2495. I can be reached directly. And visit my website, nielsenrealtygroup.com.